how to update Android apps automatically or manually. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download or update Android apps automatically or manually. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's begin with how you can update the Android app manually. So to do that, what you have to do is simply open the Play Store and simply search for the app that you want to update, or you can just tap on the profile icon at the top right, and from here you can just tap on Manage Apps and Devices, and from here you can just go to the Manage section, and there you can just tap on Updates Available, and you can simply search for the apps that have update and just tap on it to update it manually. But here, if you want to update Android apps automatically, then what you can do is simply tap on the profile icon at the top right side of the screen. And from here, what you can do is simply tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just tap on network preferences and tap on auto update apps. And now here in this section, you can simply tap on update over Wi-Fi only, or you can just tap on update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. And once you select that option, then the Android apps will be downloaded or updated automatically. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.